Hey there, welcome to the Pampered Chef. This is Amanda Warner, and I'm excited for you to start your business and get things going strong. So, one of the first things you want to do is create your business page. We're always dealing with Facebook and algorithms and how Facebook wants us to act. So, Facebook wants consultants to have a business page to run their parties from. So, you'll have groups for each party linked to your business page. Mainly, that's all I use it for. I have a VIP group that I do all my posting and connecting with my customers. So if you want more information on that, just reach out to me. But this video is about business pages. Okay, so let me make myself smaller. And we will go to Facebook. Oh, that's Canva. Facebook. So we are going to create a business page with the new Facebook. So I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to create a new page. So we're going to create it. We're going to say Cooking with Amanda. Category, we're going to select Kitchen and Cooking. And in the description, I'm going to be like, thanks for joining me on my journey with Pampered Chef. I look forward to helping you learn new recipes and hope to be a resource for you, blah, 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 blah. Whatever you want your description to be for your, for your page. Make it you, make it funny, make it serious, whatever your personality is. You're probably about to hear the dog breathing heavily in the background. With Pampered Chef. Oh, Cheffer. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to put. I'm going to click Create Page. And it's going to think. So next we're going to add a cover photo to your business page. You can add get out of here. You can add a profile picture. So let's add a profile picture. There's one of me. Perfect. Add it in there. So that will be the image in the circle there. I'm going to hit save. This would take any longer. Right? We're always at the fingertips of technology. So then now I can add. Oh, that thing's freaking out. No. Let's upload a photo. I'm just going to do that one because it's right there. You can do whatever. You can find images on Consultants Corner under Marketing Imagery, and you can find one that's the perfect shape for the cover photo. You can edit it if you need to learn how to use Canva. I have a tutorial on how to use that editing app. You can use it on your phone or on your computer, and it saves it to your account whenever you're logged in. So pretty much you can start inviting friends, but I would do it very slowly, like 20 people at a time every couple of hours. Facebook will be like, you're a spammer if you invite everyone all too fast. You can add a button. So if you want somebody to go straight to your shopping link, you can add that there. You can have them join your VIP group there as well. But we can change, you can change your notifications. You do have an inbox for pages, so people can message you to your business page, and it's separate from your personal Facebook Messenger account. I'm going to get 5 million messages. Okay, so, and then under settings, you want to make sure that the page visibility says publish. Some people have trouble searching for their page, if somebody's trying to find it. Make sure it says published there under settings. Trying to see if any of that, if you need to delete your page at some point, there's that button there. Trying to see what else is relevant. I think that's about it. So we're going to go back to the page itself here. You can promote it. You have to pay to promote your page. I wouldn't recommend it. So you can edit your page info. It's telling me I have 4 things I need to do. So let's get started. Great. So you can put your phone number in there. I do not have my phone number. If somebody wants my phone number, they can go to my shopping link with Pampered Chef, and my phone is there. You can change your username. I wouldn't mess with all of that. You can put your name in there. You can put your email, so if you want somebody to contact your email, you can put your shopping link there, or you can even use your Facebook VIP page if you'd like to funnel them there. I do not put an address or a city or a zip code. I don't need people sending me weird stuff in the mail or whatever. If you would like to have business hours so people know not to contact you from certain hours, I just am always available. It doesn't necessarily mean I will contact them right away. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So that is how you create your business page. I wouldn't go super in depth. You can do a few posts here and there until you have something built up, but really customers are not going to get notified of your posts in your business page. So I would create a VIP group and funnel all your guests into that group instead of focusing on the business page. The main thing is when you're posting in your parties that your business page is what shows up as posting. Facebook algorithms, I don't know, it's silly, but good luck. I hope you the best, and you can find some more tutorials on how to get started and how to create groups in the units as well. All right, bye guys.